But Jake Paul, for those of you who know Jake Paul, right? I just found out he's an investor in OpenAI. He was like, yeah, I'll let everyone use my face in Jake Paul videos to generate. He reached, I think it was like $6 billion worth of like ad value in his exposure. So like,
because like he could promote these new pants I'm selling or this water here that I'm selling.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so it's added a new level
okay.
of like influencer opportunities and celebrity opportunities to let everyone generate videos of you rather than you generate it of yourself. Now, guess who's worried? MrBeast. Because MrBeast does what's known as manual online content, right? Like manual video content. And he spends a lot of hard time and effort and budget making these manual content. Now, everyone can just generate their own content in the same. So if he wants to keep up with Jake Paul, he has to upload himself onto this platform and enable everyone to make MrBeast videos.
That's a whole other decision to let the world use you.
It is.